Oh, well, a bird. Bird is. Oh, well, a bird. Bird is somewhere. Oh, well, a bird. Bird is somewhere. Oh, well, a bird. Yo, where the fuck are we? Are we in where? Hello.
Morning.
Good morning, USA. Do you have me on camera drunk right now?
Yes.
It's not funny.
Yes, it is.
No, it's okay. Hi, how you doing? It's Dave. Can you just let me go so I can fall back down?
Nope.
Please.
Nope.
And then I'm gonna go to sleep like this. Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Hi. Hey, hi. How you doing? Don't be blowing my Good night.
Mika, I say we drag him across the room. Want to help?
I say let me help. I'll drag that nigga across the room. Where's he at?
Why are you hitting yourself?
Because it feels good. I just don't have enough energy to fight back. So it's like, whatever. I know exactly what's happening to me.
Yeah.
I just choose not to fight back. I'm not trying to punch a girl in her face.
You wouldn't punch me.
I would knock you the fuck out.
Oh, yeah?
Maybe.
Let's see.
No.
Yeah.
You don't want it.
I like bothering you.
It probably hurts your self-esteem, doesn't it?
Yep.
Make me feel like shit because you're fucking with me while I'm half the fucking sleep. What are you doing? No. It's not okay to do what you think you're doing. My pants are falling down. Okay. I wish I was a fish. 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish. Oh, wish I was a fish. 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish. I wish I could I had a voice like what's his face? Morgan Freeman. So I could do like narratives. It'd be all like, well, the sun